If you're in need of high-precision tooling, look no further than Big Kaiser. We are a leading provider of top-quality tooling solutions for a wide range of industries and applications. Featuring 7 different size collet series, this tool is designed to accommodate a wide range of workpieces. But that's not all. Our ultra-precision new baby collets ensure a runout at the collet nose of less than 1 micron, making this tool perfect for even the most demanding applications. We don't just stop at the design phase either. Our tooling undergoes 100% inspection to guarantee accuracy, and every aspect of its material, production, and heat treatment is carefully selected to support its precision. In short, if you need a tool that can handle even the most challenging tasks with ease, our high-speed design tooling is the perfect choice. But don't just take our word for it, try our collet holders for yourself and see the difference they can make in your machining operations. With their exceptional precision and versatility, you'll wonder how you ever got by without them. Order yours today and take your machining to the next level.